But if you done it enough, you'll be more careful. And when it happens to you, you know that you have to be very cautious, right? So yes, guys. And that's the reason why I like, if somebody give me their gamer tag name or something, I will save it to my Googles. I will save it. So I won't have to go and type in that um gamer tag ever again. I just try to type in it and it will just come up and will just choose. Just like, oh, I try to type in mine and it just come up. Yeah, because I save it into Google Words, so it's there. So whenever I try to type in, once they see me trying to do it, they will complete it for me. And I will just look at it, make sure it's right, and then I'll just go ahead and choose it. So yeah. And the thing is, when I'm sending it to myself, automatically as I send it, I'll get notification. So I'm gonna show you. I press the pay button. So the reason why I didn't see it says send, and I'm gonna get a notification just now. This notification from my wallet saying it has reached. And that's how fast it is to send. And this is the final transaction. So the person has get it. There's no middleman between. So yeah. The reason why I left out three stats is because they have to take their fee. Zebedee has to take their fee. The app has to take their fee. They charge to send it to your wallet. So just to keep that into consideration, I guess they charged me two stats. Now I have one leave over. So just to keep that into consideration, guys. Yeah. So as I said before, I did go ahead and send 23 stats to my Zebi to my wallet of Satoshis, and then I go ahead and send 55 stats to my Speed wallet. Now, I just want to say this to you guys. When you're earning with money making apps, you don't want to leave your earnings on the platform. You can, but the reason why sometimes I leave my earnings just to share with you guys a step by step process of sending. But if I didn't, let's say I didn't have a channel or I didn't have to share it with someone, I would have sent it as soon as I see the threshold, I will send it off and make sure it's in a secure place. Just to keep all that into consideration, guys. So you never know when a money making app will just like stop paying out. Because as I said before, Stashoshis is not a unlimited thing. It can be purchased and it can be stored by individuals. And if those individuals don't wanna actually let those go, they just be out of stock. And I think it's gonna happen. Don't know when it's gonna happen. I think it's just gonna happen where you're trying to buy some on the app and there's none. It will be a very sad situation if you will try to buy stashes on a money making app and they will sell you without having it. That will be very, very bad. And that is the reason why I'll say, even though I have stats on exchanges, I would say don't keep all of them, all of your stashes on exchanges. You want to put them to a wallet. And as you guys can see, when it comes to stashes, I don't have a lot on my. Some people will say maybe it's a lot, but I don't have a lot on like my wallet. I think you can have around 1,000 so I would say 100,000. 100,000. Yeah, I think you could have 100,000. Like maybe you could have like $100 or $50 and a wallet, like a Zap wallet or like a wallet of socials or like a speed wallet. But I think if you are gonna have like $100 in fiat on a Zap, I think you should take some and put it in a secure wallet. Secure wallet meaning a treasure or something like that. So yeah, I am not like really really knowledgeable about those wallet, but I do know that um I need to learn. more about those. So yes, guys. But sometimes you just have to take what someone else says until you understand. So if you're trying to understand something and someone already done it, they said, okay, go ahead and do that, and you have never done it, but you're trying to done it. You sometimes you have to do it until you understand why you do it. Maybe you don't understand why you're doing it, but someone that have done it, I'm telling you that's the right thing to do, like a mentor or something, and you just do it. And as time goes by, now you'll know why you do it. You understand? So yes, guys. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for liking, sharing, and subscribing. As I said before, if you're interested in earning with any one of these money making app, if you're interested in learning something, like let's say you want to know how to create an invoice, let's say you want to know how to ask, I did send share with you how you can send your earnings off the platform. It's very simple and easy. You just want to make sure that everything's line up, everything match. It's just like when you're in school and you're doing puzzle, everything has to line up, everything has to be the same. And that's how you send. And you just want to look over what you're doing, even though sometimes you may make mistakes. So yes, guys. So just want to say, before I go, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.